Hello, it's the Village Guy here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a broken door latch on a Zannussi dryer. Without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, the latch is not working. The door opens and closes easily. As you can see, here is the culprit, the broken latch. First, you will need to take out the latch cover using a flathead screwdriver. Gently prise open this cover plate to access the screws. Next, unscrew the 3 screws holding the latch locking mechanism in place. From the bottom, slide the locking mechanism out. And this is what it looks like. So here it is, the locking mechanism, with the broken latch stuck in. We will need to put back the locking mechanism, but first we have to get rid of the broken latch by freeing it from the mechanism. To do this, you will need to press in this black lever, so as to free out the broken part of the latch. Press it in, and it's out. Here is what it should roughly look like when it's out. Comparing it to the new one we are going to install, you can see 1/2 of the broken latch. The new latch will fit into the locking mechanism like this. Now, to put back the locking mechanism, it's the reverse steps of taking it out. First, make sure the mechanism is in the unlocked position. Slide the mechanism back into place. Then secure it in place using the 3 screws that you removed beforehand. Looks nice and secure. Now we need to remove the other half of the broken latch from the door and replace it with the new latch. To do this, we first need to take the dryer door off. You will need a Torx screwdriver or drill for this. Here is the door. Place is somewhere safe. Make sure you have a cloth or something protective underneath to stop it getting scratched. Next, you will need to remove all these screws using your Torx drill head or screwdriver. Remove the outer ring. This is where the other half of the broken latch is fixed to. Unscrew using a Phillips screwdriver, and we will replace it with the new latch. And off it comes. Put in the new latch. Making sure it fits securely without being loose. Now screw it into place. Put back the outer ring and screw it into place. Take care to ensure it's lined up correctly. Time to screw the door back onto the dryer. Line up the hinge correctly and screw. And there we have it, how to replace a broken latch on a broken dryer door. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also comment below for what future videos you want to see.